Hey guys, welcome to my sewing room. I thought I would come on here and do a little bit different of a video today. I wanted to do kind of a chit chat kind of video to discuss with you guys my sewing project plans for June. Now, I sat down yesterday for like 2 or 3 hours and I planned out my video schedule, my filming schedule, and all that stuff for the month of June so I can make sure that I'm posting consistently for you guys and that I'm posting quality content for my subscribers and for people who may not have subscribed yet, who may want to subscribe after seeing this video, because like I said, I have a lot of things planned for June and beyond. So the first project that I have planned is and if I'm looking down, it's because I have my pad here. I don't want to forget anything. I have everything. Told y'all I'll play it, okay? But my first sewing project that I have planned is a Maggie Sottero inspired wedding dress. This dress is a beautiful dress. It's really simple. It is made from Makito or Zeppelin. I've actually never used this fabric before, and I'm trying to venture out of the satin world. You know, I'm trying to be able to use more different kinds of fabrics. So I'm really excited about that. I already actually have it on order and I cannot wait till it gets in because I want to touch it. I want to see, you know, how it feels because it looks like satin. I thought it was satin and I actually did quite a bit of research to figure out what kind of fabric she used for this dress. And it turns out it was Zeppelin fabric. So that's what I got. It has really pretty creative princess seams and I'm excited about that. It has a pretty long train, and I think I may even extend it even longer. I don't know. I don't know if I'm trying to be extra or not, but I may do that. Let's see what else. Oh, it has crystal buttons all the way down the back. The main reason why I chose this one is because I know that I can be committed to this dress, and I can make it in about a week and a half versus my last dress that had a lot of different pieces, a lot of different layers of appliques that I'm still waiting on, by the way. So the part 4 will be coming, but I'm still waiting on the lace. So I decided to not keep you guys waiting any longer, and I'm going to do another dress. Like I said, this dress is actually quite simple, but it is stunning. And I actually need some advice from you guys. I want to do a whole like ensemble look, so I wanted to do the whole dress. Then I wanted to do a veil and a capelet. I think that's how you pronounce it, a beaded capelet, because the dress itself is so simple. And I need some advice from you guys. Do you think that it would look right to have a tulle veil, or well, obviously it's going to be tulle, but a longer cathedral length veil, or what kind of veils would you guys wear with an all satin wedding dress? Because I keep looking for inspiration and I can't really wrap my head around the wearing a veil with the satin dress, so I'm really interested in hearing your opinions on that. Also, do you think I will link the dress below so you guys can have a look at the dress and answer my question, but do you think this dress will look right with the capelet? I want to do like a beaded kind of capelet to really challenge myself. I really want to challenge myself this month. And do you guys think I should go with the straps that she has, or do you think I should do thinner spaghetti straps so that it looks better under the capelet? I really need you guys' input, so please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. This video will actually only be a 2-part video. I'm going to do part 1 with an in-depth tutorial teaching you guys how to draft this pattern from a basic bodice block. I won't be using a McCall's pattern or a Simplicity pattern or anything like that. I'll be using a basic bodice block, a top and a bottom. And I will be using a basic bodice block that has a full bust adjustment done to it because it's needed. And I will have a video on how to do a full bust adjustment up tomorrow or the day after that. Today is Wednesday the 6th. I don't know what day it is, y'all. I'm sorry, but it's Wednesday. And then the part 2 would be actually making the dress. And then if we decide to do the capelet, I may add it to the part 2 video, or it may be its own video. So we'll see how that goes. My second sewing project for June will be a princess dress for my little girls. And it will actually be a princess dress for them and a matching dress for me. Now I'm trying to do the bare skin effect kind of illusion top for my dress. So we'll see how that goes. I've been watching a lot of Corset Academy tutorials to figure out how I can do the bare skin effect and adapt it to fit someone who's a little bit bigger like myself. So we'll see how that goes. But it's going to be made out of satin and tulle and some illusion fabric, and some lace appliques will be on it. It'll be shorter. It'll be a pretty short dress, and it may or may not have sleeves. I don't know. I haven't done the sketch for it yet. That will be a 2-part video too. Most of my videos will be 2 parts because I want to show you guys how exactly to draft the pattern from a bodice block again, and how to sew it in a separate video. So the video, most likely the pattern making video, will go up on a Friday. So you have time to get your materials and your fabric and everything like that from like Joann's or something. And then the sewing video will go up on Saturday. So it won't be a big gap in between. My next, and it will have, that one will be with a simple zipper bag. My third project for the month will be another Mommy and Me. The last one I just talked about wasn't supposed to be Mommy and Me, but I can't make them a little dress like that when I'm making one for me to match. So I will. But this one will be a true Mommy and Me. I will be making it out of a jersey print. They're going to be little summer dresses. Mine is going to be a tighter bodycon with a ruffle and a little ruffle on with a ruffle on top and a ruffle on the bottom kind of thing. And my girls will be little, A-line dresses with a cold shoulder on them. So my fourth project is going to be a 2-piece coordinating set. It's going to be made out of a rayon print kind of fabric, and it's going to be a modest crop top because I'm plus size, so I don't feel comfortable having my whole stomach showing. So it's going to be kind of to my waistline, and then I want to do a structured pant to go up to my waistline as well. So I have like just a sliver of stomach showing. That's in my comfort zone. You guys can make it however you want to. But I'm really excited for that because I never worked with rayon before. So that'll be really cool to do. And I will be drafting that pattern in one video and then sewing it in the next, just like how I be doing my other videos. And the last project I have to close out the month, and this will be just a really simple and easy project just to kind of wind down, is going to be the McCall's 7950 pattern, which I've ordered. I'm waiting for it to come in. But it is a dress that has a button front, and some of the pieces have like a peekaboo little piece on the stomach area with a tie. And I love it because it has buttons all the way down. And I actually seen a little dress on Pinterest for my girls that looks quite the same as that. So I may be drafting that pattern and making a matching dress for my girls too, but I probably won't document the girls' dress, just mine. Now these are just 5 projects that I have scheduled for this month, just because I don't want to overextend myself and not be able to make deadlines. But if I am finishing some of these projects faster and posting them faster, I'm sorry, y'all. I may be able to add more projects in, maybe even smaller projects into the month, and post more videos about that. And I know I will be recording behind the scenes and kind of vlogging footage for all of the projects that I'm making that I'll be posting at the end of June. So stay tuned for that as well. So I'm really excited for the month of June, and I hope you guys are too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. I have lots and lots of things planned for June. I think it is about, I don't know, maybe 10 or 11 videos that I'll be putting out in June. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I post new videos this month and beyond. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you just want to say hi, leave it down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I can know to keep creating more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next one. It's okay, I'll fix it. Yes, I'll fix it.